Hey everybody. Hey, I apologize. Like I said, I was having some issues with my WebEx, and I couldn't get it to go during our time. So I think I've got it working now. I'm going to try to record this and give you guys the lesson for today. So we are this week in consumer behavior. So again, this is the Connect 3. When I'm done with this, it will appear as an assignment. These are all graded and they're part of your grades. So make sure that you watch the video and answer the questions as an assignment so you can get credit for it. So consumer behavior is this week. What I thought we'd do for today's lesson is to just watch a real quick video together. So I'm going to play this real fast, and then we're going to talk about what it's talking about. This does it within 2 minutes, does a really good job of explaining consumer behavior, kind of the idea of this week. So let's watch this together, and then there's some questions at the end.
Okay, let's do this. Today I'm going to teach you what consumer behavior is. First of all, it is defined as the area of research within the field of marketing that focuses on how consumers acquire, use, and dispose of goods, services, time, and ideas. Consumers can be individuals, families, or other groups such as teams and companies. Let's try to understand the importance of studying consumer behavior. Suppose you need a new phone. How would you go about satisfying this need? Where would you turn to for information? How would you set your budget? Where would you buy the phone? These are just some decisions consumers face on a regular basis. Interestingly, each consumer will answer these questions differently based on their backgrounds and some psychological factors. For a company that makes phones, the answers to these questions will help them know the types of phones to design, the price consumers are willing to pay, and where they should sell their phones. It is very important to understand how consumers make decisions, because the best way to create and keep customers is to understand what motivates their consumption decisions and anticipate their consumption needs. Only this way, companies can design products, services, and offers that will make their customers happy.
All right.
Okay,
So,
let's do this. Today.
So here is your assignment through this Class Connect. So it says what product example do they use in the video? So again, think about the video. Obviously, the answer to that is, I'll give you the answer. The first one is a cell phone. So they're using the cell phone example to talk about consumers. So it says give an example of a question used to satisfy a consumer need for the item for that cell phone. So you can go back and look if you want to, but trying to figure out who these consumers are, like what process do they go through when they're trying to figure out how to buy a new phone. What are some examples of consumers who will buy different products? So it talks about in there that consumers are different, right? So we've got different demographics, different psychographics. So are they this or that? So just kind of talk about how that makes a difference. Obviously, there are designs of products that are geared towards different types of people. So how do companies use this information with their products? So once they know who are the people that are going to buy the products, they will obviously adapt. So in the case of a cell phone, they're going to make cell phones that are geared towards different types of people, or bikes or clothes or whatever. And then number 5, what is the best way to create and keep customers? That's kind of at the end of the video. Again, if you think about how important it is to understand, who your customers are, that makes a big difference, in developing products that they want. So again, what I want you to do is to answer these 5 questions. I give you some hints on quite a few of them. In Schoology, you're going to click on assignment and answer them there. Don't put it in the comments section. Put it in the assignments section. And it's easier to do that if you're using the black Schoology app instead of the white one. So it's better if it's web-based. If you're on a computer, that's fine. But if you're on an iPad, use the black Schoology app instead of the white one. So there's the Class Connect today. Again, my apologies for not being able to get this going, live for the folks that were showing up in class. But you guys can all do this on your own, answer the questions, turn them in. Have a great day, and hopefully you guys are learning about consumer behaviors this week. All right, you guys, have a good one.